Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. And today we have Mr. Hardik Vaidh with us from PVblink. A very warm welcome to EQ, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sir, can you just let us know about, we are very much aware of PVblink, but if you can just let us know this REI 2025, what new technology you have come up with, what are your product offerings, and what are the USPs of the products you are displaying today?
So PVblink has started 3 years back. Here in REI we have launched our inverters 3 years back with the cutting edge technology and the leading features of 18 ampere input of the inverter. So we have started from 1 kilowatt to 30 kilowatt inverters. Right now we have launched here our 60 kilowatt series and 125 kilowatt series also for C&I segment. Even we have launched our battery segment, BSS solutions, all-in-one series are there. So these are the new products which we have launched for our customers.
Okay, sir, can you just switch on to the other segment of yours?
Okay, so this one is a new series for us. This is the 40 kilowatt to 60 kilowatt C&I segment on-grid solar inverter. So these have a multiple USPs, like it has 50% of overloading capacity, the 6 MPPT, the smart MPPTs are there, anti-PID function, night SVG function, IP66 protection, and maximum efficiency of 98.7%. So this is the new product for our customer, and above that we have a new another range of the on-grid inverters which start from 80 kilowatt, then 100 kilowatt, 110 kilowatt and 125 kilowatt. The features of that series is also the same, but the MPPT numbers of MPPT is increased compared to this series. In that series you have a 10 MPPT, and along with 10 MPPT you have 50% of overloading, maximum output of 10%, extra output is there, efficiency is 98.7%, IP60 protection is there, anti-PID and night SVG functions are there. So these are the key features of our new updated C&I solar inverter segment.
So what about its distribution plan, like for the coming years, like how you're planning for that?
So PVblink has its network in pan-India level. We have our distributors and dealers are there in a state-wise, even we can say district-wise. So we have a reach of our distributors. So through that distribution channel, we will distribute our inverters to the pan-India level.
That's great, sir. So any further upcoming new arrival of yours?
So this is about the on-grid inverters. We have already launched here the hybrid inverters and all-in-one series and battery storage. We will see that.
Okay, so as we can see, this is the major attraction of the booth this year in this REI Expo. So can you just let us know about this product as well?
Okay, so as per the market demand, the future is the battery energy storage. So we have just launched here in REI. This is our all-in-one series battery energy system. So these have a inverter inbuilt and the lithium-ion battery packs are inbuilt with this rack. So any household which have a minimal requirement can be run on these without any cut off of the power. So this product will be very useful for the customers who are looking for the power cutoffs solution for the power cutoffs. So this is the new product. In this product, two segments are there. First one is a inverter, which is the hybrid inverter, and the lower parts are the lithium batteries.
For sure, this will be useful for our customers, and it will be the eye attraction this year. Very true, sir.
Yes. So first of all, the point is we are the Make in India company. These products, all the products you are seeing here are Make in India products. So about the service and about the support, the customer will never face any issues because we have a 24/7 support here in India only. Whole our team is, our HQ is also in Ahmedabad. So you can never face any kind of issue about the support or sales support.
So it will be easy to connect with PVblink anytime, anywhere, right? Sir?
We have our toll-free number. If you want to connect with us, you can anytime you can dial our toll-free number and you can connect with our team.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot for the information. Thanks for being with us, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.